Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is create or use an existing notebook in OneNote. I'm using an existing one. I actually just created it. It's called To-Do List, and I want to give this a to-do list template so I don't have to make everything myself. And the first thing you're going to want to do is click Insert, Page Templates, and now you get this pop-up to the right of your screen. And they have a whole bunch of different um, templates for you to use: academic, blank, business, decorative planners, all that stuff. But today we're going to use planners. And I'm going to use a simple to-do list, although they do have a prioritized to-do list and a project to-do list. So I'm just going to use the simple to-do list. And you can give it a name up here, just make it something simple, easy to read. And then right here, you can list out all of your projects. So I need to put in a bedroom, and I need to make videos, right? Here's your to-do list, and when you got it done, just check it, right? That easy. Now, a couple cool things you can do with this is number one, let's say you don't like the image in the background, right? I personally don't like this image they put here, and you can get rid of that if you'd like. You just have to right click on the image, click set picture as background, and now it selects this whole image for you. You can just press delete. And same with this little note down here. You can just click on it, press delete, it's gone. And now it just looks really clean. You have your list, and that's it. Your title of your list, that's it, right? Another thing you could do is save this as a page template. So every time you create a new page, it'll always look like this. So to do that, there's these purple words right here that says save current page as template. Click that, give it a name. So you can name this whatever. We'll call this to number 2. And check set as default template for new pages in the current section. Save that. And it's going to give you a prompt that says it's actually remove the current default template. So that's fine. And now every time you add a new page, it'll look just like this. And it does include your old tasks that have been checked or unchecked. So if you have those in there you want them gone, you just have to delete them. Not that hard. And yeah, that's basically it. Get rid of some of these. Just press Hold Shift, click delete, and get rid of some of them. You do it manually. So yeah, that's it.